Hello everyone. Today's recipe is rice roti with fenugreek leaves. Take 1 cup of rice flour, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and salt for taste. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chillies. Take a pan, heat it and add 1 cup of water. The cup which we have taken the rice flour. Let it come to the boiling and add the methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Let the raw flavor leaves just boil for 20 seconds and then add our rice flour mix and then switch off the flame. Just mix it and switch off the flame. When the temperature come down, make the rice flour into dough by kneading it well, and then take butter paper, divide the batter into small portions and made a small roti either with the rolling pin or press with the hand. Take a frying pan, let it get heat and then add our rolled roti into this pan. Grease the roti with oil on both the sides. Allow it to fry on both the sides. In India, this is called as Methi Tepla, where in northern regions the wheat is grown well, so they use with the wheat flour. But in southern parts of India, where the staple food is rice, they'll make this roti with rice flour. When we use a rolling pin to roll this roti, make sure the rolling pin is greased well with oil, and if we are using the hand to press the roti, make sure the hands are greased with oil. Fry the roti well on both the sides until the aroma comes out and fills your kitchen. As it is gluten free, it is healthy too. Along with the green leaves, it gives nice flavor. Either you can use it as breakfast or as a light meal for dinner. Here I am pairing this Akki roti with ginger chutney, which is already there in my channel, which is a perfect combo for this Akki roti. Try the recipe at home, leave a comment how it turned out. Happy cooking, thank you.